All right, I'm going to walk you through problem number 4 on that worksheet, the graphing review worksheet. So on this problem and the remaining problems on the back of this, okay, you need to graph these two equations on this same graph here, all right? And where they intersect, that is going to be your solution. So I'm going to graph the first line in red. So I'll put a little red mark there so we know which one is which. Okay. We start out on each of these by looking at the y-intercept. So in this case, it's the number that is not attached to your x. Okay. That tells us that on our y-axis, we are starting at the point +4. So right here. Then if we look at the number that is attached to our x, so in this case, since it's an x, there's really a 1 in front of that. That number is our slope. Okay. We want to rewrite our slope so that it is a fraction. So 1 is going to be the same as 1/1. Okay. The top number tells us how much to move up or down. The bottom tells us how much to move left or right. So since our top number is 1, we move up 1 and to the right 1. Up 1 and to the right 1. Okay. Then once you have at least 3 of those points, you are going to use a straight edge of some kind and then draw a line through those points. Okay. Then you want to do the same thing for the next one. So I'm going to change colors here. We'll go ahead and do this in this purple blue color. Okay. Our y-intercept in this case is really 0 because you could add 0 to that without changing the equation. So that means we're going to start in the center of our graph at 0, 0. The slope in this case is really -1. And again, we want to write that as a fraction, so we're going to make it -1 over +1. So in this case, since it's a negative, it tells us to move down and to the right. Okay. Again, once you have at least 3 points, use a straight edge to connect those points. Okay. So where these two intersect, that is at the point -2, 2, and that is our solution to this system of equations. Right? So hopefully that helps. Again, if you've still got some questions, let me know.